Hey guys, what's up? So finally, after a long time, Sinan Bays is back with some cardboard creations. Today, we will create our own custom X Beyblade Extreme Suprius inspired by the Beyblade X system. To begin, cut at least 8 cardboard pieces, just like the layer template, and attach them using glue, step by step. We are almost done with the layer. Now, Sinan is shaping the Beyblade layer using a soldering iron. Now it's time to add a 3D shape for a better look. Moving on to the ratchet, cut about 5 cardboard pieces similar to Drunsworth's ratchet. Lastly, attach the small circular cardboard pieces with glue, securing the ratchet properly to the layer using hot glue. For an even better appearance, you can add colors to the Beyblade, though it's optional. Finally, for the bit, Sinan will use an attack type bit. Unfortunately, Sinan doesn't have the materials or marker pen required to make the bit, so he's taking one from his old Beyblade, Cobalt Drake. You can check out other Beyblade X cardboard videos for the bit making process. Your likes and positive comments truly inspire Sinan to create new videos, but this video would be worth it for us if you hit that subscribe button and the bell icon down below.